How to change MetaMask password. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change MetaMask password. It is very simple to do. Just follow through. The first step is to log in into your MetaMask account, the MetaMask wallet. So once you're on the wallet, move to the right side of the screen and then click on the three lines that you can see there. After clicking on it, in the box displayed, the next thing to do would be to select your settings. After selecting settings on the settings page, by the left side, you'll see a navigation bar. Just scroll down and select security and privacy. And so, after selecting security and privacy, you'll be taken to the page where you see a number of options, alright, such as network, IPS gateway, auto detect. So scroll down until you can see password. So on this page, you would see that there are no options for changing password. So that means that you cannot change your password directly on the MetaMask account. The major way of changing your password is by going to the top right corner of the screen, clicking on the three dots that you can see there, then by clicking on Lock MetaMask. Now, after clicking on Lock MetaMask, you'll be taken to the login page again. So on this page, the next thing would be to click on Forget Password, and then you'll be taken to the Reset Wallet page. All right, and then the next thing would be to paste your entire secret recovery phrase into any field. So before you click on the lock option, ensure that you have copied your secret recovery phrase, and then you paste them into any of the field displayed. So if you have it copied, you can just go ahead and paste the recovery phrase into any field, and then the next thing would be to enter in the new password that you want to use. Then once you're done, click on restore. All right, wait for it to load. Okay, and then once it has loaded, your account will be opened and then your password would be changed. So this is how it works. This is how you can change your password on MetaMask wallet. Thanks for watching and have a good day.